Look at this. Good morning, everyone. Right now we are in the terminal. We're about to take another tour, and we're gonna go to Phi Phi Island today, which is like the most popular tour that everybody wants to do. I mean, it's the reason why you come to Thailand anyways. One of the reasons at least. So, very crowded.
No.
Alright guys, it's time to go. When you're in the terminal, you can actually buy some things. So I got this hat. Alright, so we were fortunate enough to get the VIP suite.
Yeah.
Beautiful. We're in Phi Phi Island, and look at this, man. Just look at the watercolor, the mountains, the scenery. This is what I love when I go somewhere. I want to see mountains, I want to see beautiful landscapes, and it's amazing. The only bad part about coming here, I mean, there's no bad part about coming here, but the only unfortunate thing for me and the way that I film is that we cannot fly a drone. Unless you have permission, you get fined. So, it's too bad. Wow, look at this beauty. Absolutely wonderful beach. Postcard at the beach. You don't see this every day. You have to fly all the way to Asia from the US. Here it is. Look at this. Amazing. So another thing that's very important, you're not gonna be able to swim here. It's protected. Many people were polluting this area, so they said, you know what, we're not going to allow anyone to swim in this protected area. It's a national park, so it is what it is. But it kind of makes it cool that no one swims here, although everybody does want to, because you get the great picture without anybody there. So the reality is, you think no one's here. Well, yes, there's plenty of people here. That's the reality, but everybody gets a good shot, and that's the good thing from any angle of this beach. You have here areas where there's like little caves and stuff, but unfortunately you're not going to be able to actually get into, due to that they don't allow you to go more than your actual knees. There's also great areas right there, and I'm dying to shoot my GoPro, not my GoPro, my drone, but unfortunately I just don't want to get fined for that. So not gonna do it, but either way, amazing, just the way it is. You get that great shot, you can enjoy the beauty of this beach. Here's the sad part when you say goodbye.
So a beautiful place like this.
Even with the restrictions on not throwing anything, obviously you're not supposed to do that anywhere, or not going in, unfortunately people still throw some garbage in the beach, and it's sad. It's probably coming from the boats that are basically out there. They bring people in privately, but you know, it's unfortunate that stuff like this happens, and you know, you have to just take it in what it is. But people, please protect these places. These places are beautiful. They're for all of us to enjoy. So don't mess it up. When you go somewhere, make sure that you take your garbage with you and simply enjoy.
All right, so we came back into the boat after we went to Phi Phi Island. Maya Bay. We were in Maya Bay. Now we came back, and now they gave us these exotic fruits from Thailand. It's really, really nice. This is like a kenepa. I know you guys seen on Manny's channel, a Puerto Rican sweet fruit. It looks the same, but it tastes so different. Oh my goodness, look at this.
We decided to rent a private boat, and we get to see.
This is the famous Thailand famous boat.
Beautiful. So with our tour, this was not included to rent this boat for us. It's like 40 minutes. You're going to have to pay 2,000 baht in order to rent this boat. You might think that's a lot, but it's really not. We're talking about a price of around 50 something, $60. So it's like 20 bucks per couple since we have 3 couples here. So not bad at all. You get better views, better pictures, and you get to enjoy the water. That's the best part.
Some people now.
So, very nice. Now it's time to snorkel. So here we are in Monkey Island, and we have some monkeys here.
Check to see if Sandra bit.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's Cassandra, not the monkey.
One on the screen. Now we are in Phi Phi Dong. Look at that. Beautiful. Now with the tour, you also get lunch. So we'll be eating here.
Yeah, bro.
So the lunch was, we got spoiled yesterday, but it is what it is. They had chicken, they had rice, but if you come out here to this hut right outside,
You have low battery.
yeah, no. If you come out here outside, you can actually order from this spot right here, which have milkshakes, have crepes. So we have Josephine, who has her crepe. What is yours made out of?
Banana and vanilla cream.
And how is it?
Amazing.
It's amazing.
Show it.
It is,
No, like the inside.
Right in front of the beautiful beach here in Phi Phi Dong. Phi Phi Dong. I keep saying Phi Phi. Phi Phi. Phi Phi Dong.
Oreo shake, pretty good. It's like an Oreo frappe.
Okay.
Recommend it, Xavier. Thinking I'm getting.
I got a banana shake for my wife and a Nutella almond, so let's see how it is.
In the boat.
That's a banana shake. How is it?
Can we go back to the boat right now though?
No, I don't think so.
Delicious?
It tastes really good.
It's great. Very refreshing.
You want us to spot you?
Nutella almond.
He's got Oreo frappe.
Not Oreo.
I think I
want like Oreo frappe.
I think is that would that be more like ice cream type?
Great.
What was that was
hot.
ice creamy for you, right?
No, this.
Okay, and now we are here in Bamboo Island, and look at this. What an amazing, beautiful beach. Absolutely gorgeous. And you get to stay here for an hour or so, and then you must go on.